already.
Oh, we are, so, okay.
We're okay. We're okay.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fifth grade. Now we've discussed and read through and looked for the first time. Now I want you to take your notes. Let's get our notes down. Put Roman numeral 1 and write your question, how can you round whole numbers with a question mark and decimals. We're going to do it together because we did say both steps 1 and 2 are the same when you round a whole number or a decimal. Those steps stay the same. So, but here let's get in our notes. One way to solve or to round is to go ahead and make a number line. We will practice those in a couple minutes. So get your one way down is just to make a number line. Now B, another way, your other examples are to follow these steps. Step number 1 is to find the digit in the rounding place and underline this digit. That is the same for whole numbers and decimals. So get step 1 in your notes. Okay, now step 2. You will see here if you're looking at your textbook, I have added a couple things, so I would advise you to add it in your notes. Step 2 says if the digit is 5 or greater, and Ms. Sharber wrote out just to remind some people what digits are greater than 5. Yes, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to add 1 to the rounding digit. And I underline this because your rounding digit should be underlined. And that's the number that you're going to add 1 to. Okay, so here I put next to it, your rounding digit is the number we underlined. Okay, if the digit is less than 5, so if it's 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0, you're going to then leave the rounding digit alone. That means that number that we underlined to start is going to stay the same. Okay, that step 2 is the same for both whole numbers and decimals. Now step 3 is where our difference comes in. You will see here I put a number 3 and put whole numbers first. When we're rounding whole numbers, at the last step, after we have either changed that underlined digit or added 1 to it, you're going to change all the digits to the right of the rounding digit or your underlined digit, again, you can put there, to zeros. Everything goes to zeros. Now that is different from decimals. So get your number 3 down here and write decimals. After you have either left that underlined digit alone or changed it in a decimal, you're going to drop the digits to the right of the rounding digit. It gets dropped. It doesn't get changed to a 0. They go away. They just drop them. Okay, at this point, 5th grade would be a good time to write down any questions on these steps. If you don't have any questions, I would encourage you just to think of one and put it down for me so we can discuss it in class. All right, now we're going to walk through and work on the guided practice together.